Hello students, I am Ankush Dhuria. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Innovative Studies. Here we explore ideas. Innovations. It is not about the studies, innovative studies. It is all about the innovation. Science is not about writing the answers of the question. It is a practical subject. Okay. Before starting the topic, I will ask you some questions, my students. Have you ever entered into the world of colorful fruits? If yes, answer my question. Why orange is sour in taste? Every student have their own favorite fruit, but many of students like oranges, many students like mangoes. But my question is this: whatever your favorite fruit, tell me my question. Mango and oranges, mangoes, oranges. Why these fruits are sour in taste? Why these are sour in taste? If no, I will explain you this. Due to the presence of acid, citric acid, these things are sour in taste. How you can feel this is a sour in taste? You can, by tasting these fruits, you can check these are sour in taste. But while going to a chemistry lab, don't ever taste an acid, because not all acids are good for us, like oranges, mangoes. These are weak acids, but in laboratories there are many strong acids are present. But my question is that, then how can we check this bottle is a bottle of acid or a base? We cannot taste, because if we taste the acid by mistake, it can burn our skin and it can make a skin burns on our skin. So my question is this: then how can we check this bottle in a chemistry lab is of acid or is of base? For this we will use litmus paper. This litmus paper is known as the blue litmus paper. With the help of blue litmus paper, my students, we can check this is an acid or this is an base. So I will also do experiment. You all see, this is a lemon. Okay, this is a lemon and this is a lemon juice. We all know lemon is a citrus fruit. Okay, then acid present in it. So how can we check this is an acid? So we will take help of this blue litmus paper. I will dip this litmus paper in the lemon juice. You will see, my students, my friends, that blue litmus paper changes into, the color of the blue litmus paper changes into red. This shows the presence of an acid. Okay, this is our many steps. This blue litmus paper is present in your lab while going to a chemistry lab. Before touching an acid or an base, whatever it may be, you have to use this blue litmus paper to check whether it is an acid or it is an base. Tasting is not the method, it is a harmful method. This method we can't use not in our day-to-day life. So this is the method to check whether it is an acid or it is an base. Okay, we study two properties of acids. First property is acids are sour in taste. Now examples of these all citrus fruit are its examples. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapes are the examples of citrus fruits, and many other examples. If you know better than this example, then ask me in comments, give answers in your comments. The acid present is citric acid, but this is not the method, this is a harmful method. We can check our fruits, because fruits are not harmful, because the acid present in it are weak acid. So while going to a chemistry lab, what things we use? We use blue litmus paper to check whether it is an acid or it is an base. So acid, here I will show you the experiment, that how acid turns blue litmus paper red. Okay, another property of acid is acid turns blue litmus paper red. So this shows this is an acid. Okay. Now these are the properties of acid. Now we will start with the base. Okay. Like acids are sour in taste, now bases are bitter in taste. For example, in our day-to-day life, we see the washing powder or detergent powder. Can we taste it to check it is a acid or and it is base? It is not the way to check. So for these things, we use the red litmus paper. As many as an acids are strong as well as weak, bases are also strong as well as weak. In our day-to-day life, like we use detergents are also bases, but we can't taste it. Can we taste it? Not ever taste it. I will show you bases are the bitter in taste. Okay. Now how we will check while going to a chemistry lab that this is a detergent solution. You see, this is the detergent solution. I will dip the red litmus paper into it. Now we will see that the red litmus paper turns blue. This shows the presence of the bases. But keep it in mind, while going to a chemistry lab, don't ever touch an acid, don't ever touch a base. While touching or going to closer to an acid, we have to use red litmus paper or blue litmus paper to check whether it is an acid or it is an base. Here we discuss the two properties of bases. First property of bases is bases are sour in, not sour in taste, bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Many of the students thinks this is the very good property. We can check every base by tasting it, but not. Keep it in mind. This is my warning, humble warning that not to taste any base in the chemistry lab. For this we have to use this blue litmus paper. And second property of bases we learn is bases turns blue litmus to red. This is a property of base. No, this is not the property of base. This is the property of an acid. So the property of base is this turns red litmus paper to blue. Paper to blue. Now your homework is you have to collect many examples, not by tasting, with the help of use of this litmus paper in our day-to-day life. To check whether it is an acid or it is an base, not without tasting. The things that we use in kitchen like fruits, vegetables, we can taste it, we can check whether it is an acid or an base, but while going to a chemistry lab, these things do not work. This can harm your skin, it can cause skin burns in you. Okay. Homework: give examples of acids and bases in comment. Okay, now in the next video I will tell you how to check how strong or weak an acid or a base is. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel Innovative Studies. I will make another video for how to check an acid or a base are strong or not. Please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications from our channel Innovative Studies.